Greetings, members of the Augustana College community. It's a beautiful day on the campus of Augustana College, and I have some wonderful news for you. And that news relates to the continuing efforts of Augustana College to reduce its carbon footprint. But this news is due to our students. In 2019, several hundred of our students and faculty members, community members, rallied at the Viking Plaza to encourage each other to reduce the carbon footprint to become a greener college campus. Students participating in that rally met with me the next day, and we agreed to appoint a task force to look at proactive steps that Augustana College could take. I'm pleased to tell you that one of those proactive steps, which we announced last year, was the installation of solar panels on campus. We will be completing that installation, which has been nearly a year-long process, starting next month. Those solar panels will be on the roofs of Carver, Bergendorf, Westerland, and PepsiCo. We anticipate that the installation and starting generating electricity from those panels will in fact reduce the amount of electricity we buy from carbon sources and create a greener Augustana College campus. Let me share a few statistics with you. We will, as of next month, completed installing nearly 3,500 solar panels. But there's more to come. We will also be installing panels in the next months on our Lindberg facility, which we will dedicate this summer. We have partnered with Keystone Power Holdings, a renewable energy company, to make sure we do it right. When these panels are installed and we flip the switch, we anticipate significant savings of $35,000 to $40,000 a year, and these panels will provide clean energy that will constitute about 10 to 11% of the energy at Augustana College. Members of the Augustana community, as we seek to have a greener footprint at Augustana, we need to do three things. First of all, we need to educate ourselves about the impact of what happens at Augustana College and our community on the environment, not only today, but tomorrow for our children and grandchildren. Education is the first step. Once we learn more, we need to ask, what can we do individually? How can we reduce our own carbon footprint through our habits? And then finally, we need to ask, what can Augustana do? And I'm pleased to take this first step for Augustana College. But I recognize it is a first step. There is more to be done, and working with our task force, students, faculty, and administrators, we're committed to do more because we are Augustana. We are Augustana strong, and we are an Augustana that wants to become greener. Thank you.